Hey guys, it's Wednesdays on Lesbians with Swag, and I'm Kayla. This week's topic is about more and more homophobia. Great. But yeah, do you think that gay men have it harder than lesbians when it comes to homophobia? I think so. Because I don't know, I just feel that like bullying in general, guys are a lot harsher. Like, I think girls would just kind of like talk about each other, but like guys are like physically abusive. But with homophobia, women, lesbians get raped and such. So I don't know if I could say that men have it harder than women. I don't. As a female, I want to say that we have it harder, but I don't know. I guess it's just based on the individual's experience, with how they've been treated with homophobia and how they've dealt with it. Like, my experience with homophobia is different from a guy's, obviously, but we could have two of, similar things happening to us, even though I am female and he is not. I don't know. I've always felt that guys had it harder with like just bullying in general. From what you see in the movies, like they get like stuffed in the lockers, and when girls are bullied, they just get verbally assaulted, which isn't as bad. But I guess it's just based on the person, But I've heard some nasty things happening, mostly to women, lesbian women. But yeah, just terrible things happening to them. And as far as PDA goes, I know why I prefer two women, making out, obviously. I don't know. Maybe you just, you look at it and, women are cuter than guys. I'm sorry. They're more appealing to look at. It's the truth. You know it. I know it. I'm just letting it be known. Women are cuter. They're more attractive. I don't want to see all the roughness with guys and all their hairiness, and I'm good. I don't have to see that. I don't have a problem with it, but obviously I'm going to enjoy seeing two women together versus two men. But that's with like anyone though. I guess I don't know. It just deals with the fact that with a lot of male influences, with a lot of male influences in the world, like they made it. I feel like the men made it okay. Men made it okay to have women be seen that way. It's acceptable for them because it's just something that they're supposed to do or whatever. Like, oh, it's just girls having fun or whatever. But if a guy does it, other guys like trashing him for it. Like, that's not cool. You're supposed to be a man and, stuff like that. Maybe that's why I feel like guys have it harder because they're always getting trashed, talked about. Like, you have to be tough. You have to be a man. Like, you can't, like, what does it really mean to be a man? What does it really mean? Like, be tough, don't cry. Like, it's stupid. Stupid. That doesn't make you a man. It doesn't. I just think it's dumb. But obviously I believe anyone can love whoever they want. You can make out with whoever you want in public. I don't care. Do it because you love them. Don't have sex in public. I don't want to see that though. No, I don't. I don't want to see that. Do not want to see that. But yeah. Guys, this week is the last week you can make audition videos, so get them in there. Get them in there. The deadline is March 17th. And I hope to see a lot of videos in there. The ones I've seen so far, they're pretty good. Pretty good. A lot of people are posting a lot of videos, so that's really nice. And Jordan needs some help, okay? She can't do this by herself. She's amazing, but she cannot do this by herself. So post videos, keep it going, guys. I'm sorry for all the noise in the background. I'm babysitting. I love you guys. Have a good week. Bye.